Major changes could threaten a nonprofit that helps thousands of low-income families with legal battles. West 2's Brevard County Bureau reporter Megan Moriarty explains how a Brevard lawmaker is behind the push.
From helping those at risk of eviction to family law and even child neglect, the Brevard County Legal Aid Office has seen it all. And in the last 2 years, it's been able to expand its services and locations to help more people who can't afford to hire an attorney.
These are folks that would never have services, would never be able to access effectively our justice system if they didn't have a legal aid attorney.
Robert Johnson is the executive director for Brevard County Legal Aid. He explains that their clients are overwhelmingly low income with priority for victims of domestic violence.
We represent children that are abused and neglected in the dependency system, and that's another area that we're going to be expanding.
But that expansion could be halted. Legal Aid gets its funding from Florida's Interest on Trust Accounts program, or IOTA. The money is interest earned on accounts attorneys use to hold their clients' money. 2 years ago, the Florida Supreme Court pushed banks to pay higher interest rates on those accounts, changing funding for legal aid from $10 million to almost $280 million statewide.
On this, I've never seen anything that has been so impactful to us and for the amount of services that we can provide.
But this week, some banks joined together to file a bill to roll that back. That bill is sponsored by Brevard County Representative Robert Brackett. In it, it says it is in the best interest of this state for the legislature to establish statutory benchmarks for IOTA rates to ensure regulatory safety, fairness, and sustainability. And if passed, the law would allow the chief financial officer to establish 2 interest rate alternatives. It would give banks an option to pay a rate at 25% of the federal fund's target rate instead of the highest rate. The representative for Banks for Sustainable IOTA program, Scott Jenkins, sent us a statement saying the bar now demands that banks pay a rate more than 7 times what the typical non-attorney account receives. The goal of the legislation filed is not to end the support of the bar's Legal Aid Foundation, but simply to establish a fair method for setting the appropriate interest rate. Covering Brevard County in Melbourne, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.